In this video, we'll write the Lewis structure for PCH3, that's trimethylphosphine, also named PME3, kind of cute. Let's start by counting up the valence electrons. So phosphorus group 15, sometimes called 5A, has 5 valence electrons, and we'll add to that carbon, that's 4, and hydrogen's 1, and we have 3 of them, so 3 times 1, let's call that 3, and we multiply everything in parentheses by the 3. So we have 3 plus 4, 7 times 3 is 21 plus 5, 26 total valence electrons for this PCH3 Lewis structure. So we'll put the phosphorus atom at the center of the Lewis structure. And then this 3 means we have 3 of these CH3s. These are the methyl group. When you see the methyl up here, this is the methyl group. So we have 3 of them. So let's put those 3 around the phosphorus atom. So we'll put 1 here. And we have 3 H's, those go around, and then we'll do it 2 more times. Okay, so I had to squeeze a little to make things fit, but you get the idea. The phosphorus is here, and then we have 1, 2, 3 of these CH3, these methyl groups around it. So we have 26 valence electrons. Let's put electrons between atoms to form the chemical bonds. So now we've formed chemical bonds between all the atoms, and we've used 24 valence electrons. The carbons, they all have 8 valence electrons, so they have octets. The hydrogens only need 2 to have a full outer shell, and each hydrogen has 2 valence electrons. The phosphorus in the center, it only has 6, so we're going to place our last 2 valence electrons right below the phosphorus. And that will use all of our electrons, and it will complete the octet for phosphorus. So this is the Lewis structure for trimethylphosphine, this PCH3. There are 2 other ways you could write the Lewis structure, actually probably many other ways. One way to write this representation of the PCH3 molecule is with this structural formula here. It kind of shows the molecular geometry as well, how this lone pair of electrons pushes down these CH3 groups, and you get this pyramidal molecular geometry. Another way you could do is kind of a ball and stick representation. This is the phosphorus here, orange, and then these are the methyl groups. We're not showing the lone pair in this representation. Either way, this is the Lewis structure for trimethylphosphine PH3, and thanks for watching.